Hi everyone, my name is Vasu and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna show you you can make a password generator. So let's go. So first thing, you import random, then you make three lists. One numbers, two is alphabet, and three is characters like these. Then I did print welcome to the password generator. So then, what you do is while true, and then you ask how many of each do you want, and then you do make another list, and then you make a for loop to get that random numbers for this, that random numbers for that. Okay, and one thing that I think you might be confused on is why are you adding one? Well, the thing is, in Python, zero count is basically the first number. So then it's 0, 1, 2, 3. But in reality, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is this the first part. So now let's go to the second part. Now what you're doing is you're shuffling the password. So this part goes here, this part goes there. Okay, and then you are going to print it. Then this yes or no is if you just want to generate another password. So then if you do the same thing again, and yeah. Okay, so welcome to the password dinner. How many numbers do you want? Let's do 6, then 4, no, sorry, and 7. Okay, so then it gave me the password. And then let's do this. Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe. So yeah.